The method for entomopathogenic fungi isolation is important for developing microbial control agents. This protocol can be used to isolate and select high-virulence entomopathogenic fungal isolates from the soil samples.
This technique includes 3 rounds of pathogenicity screening and combines the tolerance and conidia pathogen assay to make the effective conidia number ranking. The method can help select high virulence and promising entomopathogenic fungal isolates for commercializing. This protocol focuses on biological control. It could also be used to discover the entomopathogenic fungal isolates to study the interaction between pests and entomopathogenic fungi.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Yao-Chia Liu and Nian-Tong, master students from a laboratory.
Start with the collection of the soil sample by removing 1 centimeter of the surface soil, and then collecting the soil within the 5 to 10 centimeter depth from each sampling site using a shovel. After recording the details of each sampling site, collect and maintain 100 grams of soil sample into a plastic bag at room temperature to perform the fungal isolation protocol within 3 hours. To isolate the potential entomopathogenic fungi, or EPF, add 100 grams of the soil sample in a plastic cup and place 5 Tenebrio molitor worms on the surface of the soil at room temperature in the dark for 2 weeks, with observing and recording the larvae mortality and mycosis daily. Keep the dead larvae in the cup until 2 weeks for fungal isolation. After 2 weeks, transfer the dead insects to a clean bench and use a sterile toothpick to collect the conidia. To obtain the primary culture